Hello, you have reached your favorite detail grandma in Wichita, Kansas. My name is Chris. Leave your name and number, and I will get back with you as soon as I possibly can. Have a great day.
Hello, friends. So, today let's talk about cancellations. Now, the reason I want to talk about this is because I just had two. First detail for the day was supposed to have been a big truck, a 2022 Western Star. It was actually just a tandem dump truck, but it was a $300 job. And when they canceled, I was like, sometimes having a Saturday off is a good thing, but when that $300 and that $300 could pay a bill, that can hurt a little bit. But then this morning, I'm just sitting watching social media and watching some certain things, and I get a phone call from a customer. Do you have time to squeeze me in to get the interior cleaned up a little bit? Just a basic little valet cleaning, basically. And I said, sure. And she said, how much is that? And I told her, if you want a valet, it's just going to be $100. And she said, okay. So then I told her just to meet me up here at about 1 o'clock. She said, okay. So I get myself together and I head up here. I had to come up here anyway. I had to clean up my mess from yesterday. I was so tired when I got done yesterday. I said, not gonna worry about it. I get up here, I get things tidied up, and I'm getting ready to sit down in Granddad's chair, and she calls back. And she says, I forgot that there was a bill coming out of my account, so I don't have the money. So, 2 cancellations for the day. One, they called me last night and let me know, and then this morning I got the call, and then she canceled a little bit ago. So, what happens when you get a cancellation? So, do you get mad at people? Do you cut them completely out of your schedule? Is it something that you find understandable? It happens. Things are just going to come up. Somebody's going to forget that a bill is coming out automatically from their bank account, so they forgot. Sometimes things happen. So sometimes you're going to get just that unexpected day off when you have cancellations. Now, here's a couple of tips. If you have a cancellation and you have a free day. So something you can do, if you've got customers that you've been kind of putting on the back burner, you've got a maintenance that you need to catch up on, today is Saturday, okay? Most of your customers should be at home. So pick up the phone and call one and see if you can squeeze them in. Say I've got some unexpected availability. Do you mind if I run up? I can be there in about 30 minutes and we can knock that out for you and go on about our day. A lot of times you will get a good response from doing that. Sometimes you just have to go out there and find that work, unless you don't mind having an unexpected day off. Another tip that you can use is call a customer that likes to have their car cleaned up and all of that. Let them know you had an unexpected free day and you are offering an interior detail or an exterior wash and discount $25. That is another way to bring in a little bit more business if you have some cancellations and it's an unexpected day. So, there's a few things that you can do. Leave a comment. What is it that you do when you get cancellations and an unexpected day off? Not everybody is going to have work backed up. Now, only reason I don't is because everything is already scheduled and it's scheduled around my road trip. So rather than try and go mess up the schedule, which I'm really bad about, I don't want to do that. I just figure I'll take the unexpected day off. But I pulled my pickup in because with an unexpected day off, I can use this time to catch up on a few things. And if you're a YouTuber and you get cancellations, okay, that can be for your benefit. You can go and start doing some batch recording and start knocking out some content. So let's say I want to do a video on cleaning a floor mat, okay? And then I want to do a video on cleaning the speaker cage. Maybe I want to do another video on a door jamb because somebody had asked a question. So I put that back on my list because I want to answer that specific question. And that's a really good video tip. So say I want to do 5 different things, 5 different videos. Well, I've got the vehicle and you have the vehicle, your own vehicle, okay? So you just start batch recording. You know, I'll just sit here and make 3 or 4 videos and then I'll go home and use my unexpected day off and edit them. It's kind of like what I did for Memorial Day weekend. I made the conscious choice to take 5 days off. I had been busting my booty, let me tell you. So I chose to take 5 days off. I needed to get a lot of catching up done. I had a list of things that I needed to get done at home, and I had a bunch of videos on my phone that needed to be edited. And I'm thinking, you know what? It's okay for me to take a little bit of time just to chill. So I took Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off for Memorial Day weekend. And I knocked out a list of, I did 8 videos, plus I had 4 on my phone already, and I was able to edit them all, so they're all scheduled on my channel, good to go. So I hope you like that shirt I was wearing that day. Anyway, so when you get a cancellation, you can find things that you can do. Maybe this is a good time for you to go spend some time with your family. Maybe it's a good time, you know, maybe you got a birthday coming up in the middle of the week. One of the kids is become a teenager. Go take them out to eat, okay? That kind of thing. So there's all kinds of things that you can do with the cancellation. And here's one last tip. Don't get mad. There are going to be customers out there who are making excuses. They don't want to pay your price. Yes, you're going to have that. But you're also going to have customers who legit had something come up. They forgot about an automatic withdrawal. You know, the car broke down. The car didn't start. I can't come. Just making sure you know. There are a lot of legit reasons out there why somebody would cancel. Do not get mad. Don't take it personal. You just never know what could have caused it. So I just wanted to put this short little video out and, you know, talk about some cancellations because I had 2. So I'm going to do some batch recording because I'm a YouTuber. I'm a content creator. I'm a boring old lady who just wanted to detail. And it's hotter than hell out here. See y'all later.